This is the homework solution for page 43, numbers 15 and 16. Both 15 and 16 ask us to identify the independent and dependent variable for each relation. Okay, so here's number 15. Let me just read it to you first. The Spanish class are having a fiesta lunch. Each student that attends is to bring a Spanish side dish or dessert. The more the student attend, the more food there will be. Okay, when you're thinking about the independent variable, okay, you want to think about something that something that happens, then you want to think about the dependent as, right, as an effect based on what happened. Okay? In our scenario, in our scenario, it seems like the Spanish class are having a fiesta lunch. Is that something that is happening, or is that an effect based on what happened? Right? That looks like that is something that is happening, okay? Right? Each student that attends is to bring a Spanish side dish or dessert. Okay, that is also something happening, right? The more that attends, the more the food will be. It seems like the last sentence here has our independent and dependent variable because something that is happening seems to be the more the student that attends. So this seems, right, because all this is talking about an act of students, right, attend, right, the fiesta lunch, okay? What about the students? I think they are referring to the more the students. So that sounds like the amount of students that attend the fiesta. This seems to be like the independent variable, okay? Then as a result, the hint is that comma, the more, right? You might see the word then or afterwards or therefore, but the comma, right, shows something that happens after. The more the food will be. This looks like the amount of food there will be. Okay, I can make that red, right? The dependent variable is the amount of food there will be. Okay, because the amount of food depends on the amount of students attending the fiesta lunch. Okay. The next one, 16, right? The faster you drive your car, the longer it will take to come to a complete stop. All right. So let's look at, we want to look at the independent variable and the dependent variable. Okay, the independent variable and the dependent variable. All right. The hint again is that comma, okay? Like before, you see the independent variable tends to be before the comma and the dependent tends to be after the comma. Let's look at this. The faster you drive your car, okay? The faster you drive your car, that looks, the noun faster refers to like your speed. You could also say velocity, right? Speed of your car. Okay? The longer, right, it will take to come to a complete stop. The longer, the noun that we associate longer to, this is not a length unit, right? It's talking about time, right? Like miles per hour, right? So the longer it will take to come to a complete stop. Time, right? That's the longer part to come to a complete stop. So it seems like the independent variable, right, is your speed of the car. And because depending, right, the word dependent, right, the time to come to a complete stop is the dependent variable. Okay, so that is the homework solution for page 43, numbers 15 and 16.